Hi, today I will be talking about TACIT's Reddit Crawler. TACIT comes pre-packaged with several crawlers. Crawlers allow you to automatically compile text from various sources. You can search for specific words, topics, or categories and apply various qualifications to the data you are downloading. Here is a list of the current crawlers we have on TACIT. And as I mentioned before, today we will be focusing on the Reddit crawler. Reddit is the 10th most visited site in the US and can provide researchers with valuable data. The Reddit crawler provides various filtering options that can be used to search through subreddits for specific topics, keywords, and authors through either the full website, the trending data, or the top/controversial section of the website. For example, if you are interested in creating a corpus about higher education, you would use the filtering option to select keywords such as university or tuition. The data you download from Reddit will automatically be saved as a TACIT corpus and can be found in the corpus management tool, as well as accessed through the various plugins when you want to analyze it. Once you have TACIT open, click on Crawling located on the top bar, and then select the Reddit Crawler button from the drop-down menu. You should now see the Reddit Crawler page. Note that you can click the question mark at any time. This will open up a help file, which includes detailed information written by a social scientist about the steps for running each plugin. The first thing you must do is decide if you want to use the search, trending data, or top controversial data option. The search option allows you to search through the Reddit website for posts that fit your criteria, such as keywords, titles, authors, websites, and subreddits. The trending data option will focus the crawl on hot, new, or rising pages for data on new and upcoming Reddit topics. The top/controversial data option will focus the crawl on the top or controversial pages. This includes topics that have the most conflicted opinions, meaning they will have the same number of up and down votes, or that they have the highest scoring posts. Next, you will fill out the input details. If you select Search, you will see the following options. The text input box allows you to specify a keyword that you want to base your search on. You can input more than one keyword if you would like. You just have to separate the keywords by a semicolon. The crawler will then return the text from Reddit that includes your keywords or word. Comments are unable to be searched for keywords. The Subreddit input box allows you to specify which subreddit threads you want to limit your search to. If you click on the Sort Links By button, then a drop-down menu will appear. This allows you to choose what order you want the crawler to collect data in. You can choose relevance, top posts, which are overall posts with the highest ratings, hot posts, which are the new posts with the highest ratings, new posts, which have been posted most recently, or posts with the most comments. You can further filter your results in the next section. In the title keyword box, you can search for your keyword and posts that include a separate specific keyword. For example, you can search for the word love, but only within posts that include the word family. In the author box, you can search for your keyword within posts written by a specific author. In the site box, you can search for your keyword within posts that mention a specific URL. And lastly, In the link ID box, you can search for your keyword within posts written by a specific Reddit page link ID. Next, you can limit the records that are being collected. If you click on the time frame box, a drop-down menu will appear, and you can choose to receive data for all posts regardless of the time frame, or posts from the past hour, past 24 hours, past week, past month, or past year. In the Limit Links Per Request box, the crawler will put 10 links as a default, but you can change this. In the Limit Comments Per Link box, the crawler will put 200 comments as a default, but you can also change this. In order for the crawler to work, both of these boxes must be filled out. If you selected the Trending Data option, the input details will be slightly different. You first must choose a Select Stream option from the drop-down menu. The Hot stream will crawl from posts that are new and have the highest rating. The New stream will crawl from the most recent posts, and the Rising stream will crawl from the posts that are getting the most upvotes per minute at that moment. Then, in the Limit Records option, it will work the same way as it did when you had the Search option selected. If you select the Top/Controversial Data option, the input details will look like they did in the Trending Data option, but this time your options for streams will be different. You can either select the top stream, which includes the highest scoring posts, or the controversial stream, which includes posts that have an equal amount of up and down votes. Lastly, you must select the output details. By default, all collected text in TACIT is saved as a corpus in Corpus Management. All you must do is specify the name you want the corpus to be saved under in the corpus name box. Once you have finished making your selections, press the green Run button with the small white arrow on the top right corner. TACIT will then run the crawler and a small window will pop up showing the progress of the crawler. You can also track the progress on the console. Now we can see that the Reddit crawler was completed successfully. If we want to go view the corpus we just created, then go to the top bar and select View, and then Corpus Management from the drop-down menu. Now we can see our Reddit crawler test corpus was created, and if we press the small arrow on the left-hand side of the folder, we can see that we crawled the top 9 files. If you continue running into problems, you can refer to our forum, where people can ask questions and answer questions. If your question isn't on there, then you can go ahead and write out your question, or you can always contact us directly. Thanks for watching.